Hi everyone, today in this video we will see the how to hide the any text, any section, only this mobile. Here is showing right latest blog title, right? But I no need in mobile view. Can you see here is showing, right? So do one thing, have a in class Tailwind. So just come in title tag. Here I'm just giving here a hidden first, okay, hidden, and press the MD. Can you see here is MD is showing it mini with 768 and block. Let's check, okay. First terminal, 1 second, I'm saying key. Okay, I need to run my compiler. 1 second, copy and paste. Now come here. Okay, here is showing right. Now we will check. Okay, can you see here in mobile view? Mobile view have hide, right? Can you check? And also verify our code, okay? Container here. Can you see? Which one is okay? One thing. Hidden classes is coming, right? Yeah, display name. Thank you watching this video. Please like and subscribe.